Excuse me, but the room is off limits.
Well, wait, how is the bathroom off limits? It's a bathroom.
The toilet doesn't work, dude.
The toilet? Well, it's so much cleaner than the older one.
Just go in the second one and just say it's no big deal. Even though it's stinky, you're stinky, right?
No, I'm a monster.
Yeah, but monsters are supposed to be stinky.
But I'm not. I'm squeaky.
Fine. Don't use this. Do you see that right here? The toilet doesn't work. You're just gonna poop and don't flush.
Okay, fine. I'll use the older one.
That seems to be a big monster.
Right there. This toilet is so dirty. I don't like this one bit. Especially that vent. I actually feel like I'm being watched. Hey there, buddy. What are you doing in there?
Yeah, I don't think so. I mean, the toilet is clogged up.
Help! There's something in the bathroom ventilation system! Ah! There's something in the toilet. There's something in the toilet. There's something in the toilet. There's something in the ventilation system.
Dude. What's going on?
There's something in the toilet.
Okay, you're being hysterical. Okay, what the heck is going on around here?
I just told you there's something in the ventilation system.
Okay, let's check it out.
In the old bathroom, not the new one, the old one.
Oh, buttons.
Big Bird. What? What does he mean by there's something in the toilet? I don't know. Alright. He said it was in this vent. Dude, this vent doesn't even seem like it's working. What the heck could be inside of it? I don't know. We're going to have to look inside. Okay then. Come on, let's go. Is there anything inside? Sorry, I don't see anything in there.
What are you doing in here, buddy?
There's a pair of eyes in the. There's something in there. Stop! You're talking too fast. Say it. Say it. There's something. There's some sort of monster in there.
How do you know it's a monster?
I saw it. I saw its eyes. Its eyes. I don't like them.
What color are the eyes? Red?
Just white eyes. I saw like 5 of them. 5? 5 eyes? Yeah, go take a look for yourself.
I don't see anything, and what the heck? Are those eyes?
That, dude? It's chilly in here.
Oh my gosh!
Naked Pie-Man, you're right.
Come on, man, it's chilly in here!
You should probably go. It said something. Why don't you want to be alone in there?
There's spiders clawing at my mouth. Just I need somebody to help.
See, he says it's too dark and scary, although he is a monster. What should we do about it?
I don't know. The condition is here is unbearable!
Oh, poor thing. It switches from super hot to super cold in there. He says it's unbearable. Don't trust monsters. Haven't you heard about scary stories? Yeah, creepypastas, but I mean, still. There's nothing wrong with this vent. Okay then, if you say so. Except some sort of monster trapped in here and he's scared of the dark, but you want to try and get him out of there? Okay then, but it's a monster, so.
Don't call me a monster!
He's scared of the dark, so you want to get him out? Yes? Alright.
Yes, please!
So what we do is you hold this end, and I hold this end.
Not gonna lie, that's a
So I
bad
hold the
idea.
left side, you hold the right side. Perfect?
No, it's not. Ah! Loud sound! Stop! Stop that! Right now! I don't like that! Stop!
Okay, we'll stop with the loud sounds. He doesn't like loud noises. We're going to have to do it some sort of soft way.
Don't like how this is going!
Okay, then. So what should we do that's not going to make a lot of sound?
I don't know.
There's got to be some way to do it. Big Bird, you try and find a way in, okay?
I am a smart bird. If there should be some room full of air, there should be an air compressor inside of it.
So what are you going to do?
Go and try to find the air pressure system. It's near this closet somewhere.
Well, go find a flashlight, because that vent seems pretty dark.
Okay then, if you say so.
This is going to make a lot of sound. Okay, I know you don't like sound, but we're going to have to find some sort of way to get you out of that vent, okay? Alright, just wait here for a little bit. You'll be perfectly fine. Alright, Big Bird should be on his way any time now.
Whoa, hold there, buddy!
What are you doing? Oh my god! This is a big boy.
That sounds wrong, but don't hurt
Are
me.
you going to kill him? That's a gun, not an air compressor.
What is wrong with this bird?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the vent.
Cause it's an air compressor.
That's not an air
That looks like
compressor.
a gun. You gonna kill that monster? Is that how scared you are of monsters? And where did you get that thing anyway? Did Foxy build that thing for you? Oh no! Don't fire! Dang it!
Stop! What are you doing? You're going to kill me! Stop! Stop!
That should do the trick. Why did you do that with that large gun? He's dead! Why did you do that?
He's a monster!
But that doesn't mean you take a gun 3 times your size and start shooting at the poor thing. He was trapped in the vent with unbearable conditions. He told me that spiders crawl up his mouth.
He's a monster. Isn't that what monsters are supposed to eat?
I mean, yeah, but you never know what kind of monster he is. He's probably not even a monster at all.
But why do we think it's a monster then?
Because Fergus said he was a monster.
Yeah, but Fergus is dumb, remember? Don't listen to him.
But that thing had a bunch of eyes. I saw its eyes. You don't want to know. I saw its eyes. It had like 5 or 7 of those things.
Well, the job's well done for me.
No, come back here. We're going to have to break the... Stop, what are you doing? You think this is the end? This is not the end. I'll wait till I get out of this ventilation shaft. You know what? I'm going to make you feel what I feel for the past 25 years. Come on, let's go.
That thing,
Oh, yeah,
he's angry! Let's go!